Bonjour, et bienvenue sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Today we are going to learn verb aller, which means to go in present tense. But before starting a lesson, I request you to please like, subscribe, share and press the notification icon. First of all, we will see the conjugation of aller verb, which means to go, with all the subject pronouns. I have taught all the subject pronouns in my previous video, and if you want to learn subject pronouns in French, you can check out the link below in the description. The conjugation of aller verb is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Je vais means I go or I am going. Tu vas means you go or you are going. Il va means he goes or he is going. Elle va means she goes or she is going. On va means we go or we are going. Nous allons means we go or we are going. Vous allez means you go or you are going. Ils vont means they go or they are going. Elles vont means they go or they are going. Il is used for masculine plural and it is also used for mixed masculine and feminine plural. And elle is always used for feminine plural. On is used as we but for informal situations. And you already know the difference between tu and vous. Tu is used for informal and vous is used for formal or plural. Now we will see the uses of aller verb. Aller verb is used for moving one place to another, which means le déplacement. For example, il va au bureau tous les jours sauf le dimanche. He goes to office every day except Sunday. Here he is going to office. That's why we have used aller verb over here. And the conjugation of aller verb with il is il va. One more example. Je vais chez un médecin parce je ne me sens pas bien. I am going to a doctor because I am not feeling well. Here I am going to a doctor and we will use aller verb over here, and the conjugation of aller verb with subject pronoun je is vais. Je vais. One more example I would like to give you is elles vont au cinéma tous les weekends. They go to cinema every weekend. Here they are going to cinema every weekend, and that's why we will use aller verb here, and the conjugation of aller verb with elles is elles vont. Another use of aller verb is for saying how are you. When you ask some of your friends, you say como ça va? Como ça va? And if he or she is good, then they will say ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. And if they are not good, they will say ça ne va pas bien. Ça ne va pas bien. And if you ask some of your elders or in formal situation, you will say comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? And if they are good, they will say je vais bien, merci. Je vais bien, merci. And if they are not good, they will say je ne vais pas bien. Je ne vais pas bien. Here you can see that for asking how are you or even for replying, we have used aller verb. Aller verb is also used as an auxiliary verb for near future, which means future proche in French. For example, elle va aller au supermarché le soir. She will go to supermarket in the evening. In this sentence, we are talking about the near future. And the formation of future proche is done aller plus infinitive verb. Here, we have conjugated the aller verb and we have used another aller verb as an infinitive. One more example. Il va venir dans 5 minutes. Il va venir dans 5 minutes. He is going to come in 5 minutes. As he is going to come in 5 minutes, then again we will use future proche over here. Here we have conjugated the aller verb according to the subject pronoun, and another verb is venir, which is used as an infinitive verb. One more example I would like to give you. Les enfants vont chanter une chanson. Les enfants vont chanter une chanson. Children are going to sing a song. So we will use future proche here. Here also we have conjugated the aller verb according to the subject pronoun, and the another verb it is used as an infinitive, which is chante. Now we will see all the uses of aller verb once more quickly. First one is aller verb is used for moving from one place to another. For example, elles vont au cinéma tous les weekends. They go to cinema every weekend. Second one is aller verb is used for saying how are you? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? And another use is it is used as an auxiliary verb for near future, that is future proche. Il va venir dans 5 minutes. Il va venir dans 5 minutes means he is going to come in 5 minutes. And the conjugation of aller verb is je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va, on va, nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Hope now you are ready to use aller verb. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. But before ending a lesson, I request you to please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and press the notification icon. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.